Welcome guys, so today I am with Redmi 10C and I want to show you a few camera tips. So the first I'm going to show you a few different ways how to take photo. So the first one, we can just make it by tapping on the shutter. We can also use these volume buttons, volume up and down. When you press volume up or down, you will get 2 seconds of the shutter delay. You can also go for the settings, where you'll find another option. It's called tap to take photo. And right now when you tap on the screen, the photo will be taken. Okay, and right now we are going to switch for the zoom feature. So normally you can zoom in and zoom out by pinching screen with your 2 fingers. And we got 10x zoom. And what is weird, that in this phone we don't have this presets of the zoom. So normally we get like 1x, 3x and 5x for example, but right here we cannot find it, so we have to pin to the screen like that. Now we can also take a look how it works in the video mode. Yeah, it's the same, no presets. We can also try to change this aspect ratio, but still we are not able to get the presets. So I'm going to show you another way how to use zoom. You can go for the settings and you can change a volume button function to zoom. Right now when you press volume up, you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out by pressing volume down button. So as you can see, that's very simple, and we can smoothly move to the brightness adjustment and changing the color and the temperature. So we have to tap on the screen and then move the sun icon to decrease or increase brightness level. But you can also tap right here to get the filters. As you can see, they change color, they change also temperature. For example, if you want to take photo with this one, just select, click on the shutter, and as you can see, the photo was taken. So I think that right now we can go for the settings, where we can find function to turn off this shutter sound. If you don't want to hear that sound, just disable this option. And right now when you take photo, as you can see, it looks like that. Next, you can go for the settings, go for the customize, and here we can change, for example, the colors of the selected features from the yellow, for example, to the blue. Click apply, and as you can see right now the color has changed. So basically that's all for this model. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.